Hi friends, this is Mukesh and today we are going to discuss about functional interface into Java. So I'm just writing here how many types we have here. Functional interface like Java 1.8, correct? The first functional interface we have like predicate. Predicate allows like only it will give only boolean result like true and false. And the second we have is like consumer functional interface. Okay. The consumer functional interface is like there would be no result, no output, nothing, and only like it will consume the data. So, consumes the data, we can say. Yes, lemon out. The third one we have is like function. The function is it will accept, give the input out also, and output also, the result. The fourth is called supplier. Uh, the supplier, there is no uh, input, okay, and only it will supply the result. Only it will supply the result. Okay, so this is the four types of functional interface we have into Java 1.8. And functional interface is like each functional interface have only one abstract method. So that's why we are calling functional interface. This is the fundamental of functional interface. Like only one abstract method will allow there. So let's start with one by one with example. I'm just opening my STS here and just I created one demo project, and there is one main like main method, and we have class called demo, right? So we will see here one by one. So first I'm just trying to give the some like scenario based things for predicate. Suppose I'm going to create one predicate here, and then just type in here a string. Type is the string. Okay, see, this is the this is belonging from Java. Here we will take the data string. Okay, so here just assume like on a string we have, and with that string we are checking length. Okay, so length, suppose we are taking, it would be greater than 6. Okay, the second line just I'm trying to enter that. Okay. Here we will print the length of a string. Plus here what we can do, we'll check this check length is there already. With that we will call, this is the predicate. In predicate we have the method called test. See here we have predicate, right? Test is the predicate, only one method we have, the step method. So with that we will go there and just use that test. And the string is, suppose I'm passing here my name. So the functionality is predicate is like if satisfy the condition, satisfy the condition, give true, else false. So see, we are checking here the string length would be greater than 6, but here we are passing only 5 characters. So let's run this one. We can run the length of a string is, sorry, here we can give the result of a string. Yeah, only result is enough. Okay, just I'm saving, and it is giving like false because our condition is not satisfying. We are checking greater than 6, but this is 5 only. If I am adding something here like So now if I think it will give true. So this now condition is satisfied. This string length is greater than 6. That's why it is satisfied. Next is like we'll see consumer. How consumer will work. Okay. Consumer basically it will like allow for modify the data. Okay. There is no output. Okay, let's see the one. So I take one here like s- let's just I'm creating one user. This would be default class. I'm just creating user. Here's some set of attributes we are passing just like string name. Okay, this would be capital. Okay, and just I'm creating for this setter getter. So just right click and just come here and then we will find setter. I'm just created setter and getter user. So now let's come to consumer again. Only I created the user class with that one attributes called name. Okay. So now I'm coming here and just I'm creating object of that user equal to new user. Just created one. This should be into capital while creating the object with the keyword. Okay. So now the consumer we have, and here and pass here I'm passing that object called user, and then this is suppose we want to modify some data setting a name. Set name you can say is equal to just taking lambda function here until dot set name is there, right? So the name we have to pass here a string. So I'm just adding here Mukesh. This is there, and then into consumer interface we have method called set.accept. See, it is coming from consumer here. See, parameters the input argument, and this is belonging from the consumer console. The accept and then user we are passing. If you will try to uh, get that changes, let's print this out, this out. Just I'm printing this one user dot get name. So it should be print like Mukesh. Let's run this one. We'll see. See, now it is printing Mukesh. So we can say simply this like consumer will work for modifying some data and just like uh, we have to give some input and then based on input to get the data and we can modify the thing. So this is the for so simply what we did here, like we created one user for example. I created consumer here, and then just I want to modify the data. I just want to set the name. So I set, and the one method we have called accept. Here we have accept method into consumer, and into predicate we just check with test method we have. So one method is there, and here also only one method. So we can say like functional interface have only one method. Now next is called function. Function also we have. So into function it will take input. It will give the result as an output. Yeah. I'm just creating here one function. Okay. See, this is belonging to all are belonging to util function package. So here just this one is called like I'm just taking one integer, and here I'm just taking another parameter is like a string. Okay, I just want to retrieve the get integer value, get into value just okay. And now just the help of lambda expression t dot t and something just I want to modify this just plus I just want to like data multiplier. Okay, this now we want to print what we have here like and this is the get value dot. Here is method called apply. See, one method we have into functional interface. We have apply method called. Just I'm calling this one apply. Just I'm typing here integer called 9. Suppose just I want to print, and it will print this. Just I'm going here, right click, run. See 9 we multiplied with 9 t dot 9 dot 10, so it means 90 we have data multiplier, correct? Is the so this is the functional interface, correct? So we have to use like this only. We have method called apply here. Here we have accept, and the in predicate we have just one more functional interface we have called supplier. Okay, supplier, there is no output. There is no output. Here there is no input. Okay, only output. So the thing is like just I'm creating one supplier, and then I just passing here primitive data types called double. Just I want to like randomly I want to access random access. Just there is no parameter, only I get the data. Here one math we have into lamp dot, dot random. We have one method called random dot random. With this, just want to get that access. See, here we have one method called get to supplier function interface. It is belonging from. So if we will do get here, and let me print this one so it will be visual for us. So just this value I just want to print. It will give any random value here. Okay, so let's print this one. Okay, this is giving like this. So we have four functional interface. I'm just revising. The first we have predicate. It will give like boolean result true and false, and we have method called test. Okay. And the second we have consumer. In that one we have method called accept. It will accept. We can modify the data and all. Right. And the third one is like functional interface. So here we have apply method. Can see here how it is working, and the next we have supplier function interface. In this one we have one get method. So this is the four method we can say. Just I'm here writing like here we have test method just for revision for like consumer. Here we see now consumer it modifies the data. So here we have that method. I'm just not passing the this time revise, and here we have apply method, and here we have get method. Better visibility, I'm just giving this. So this is the functional interface. We have the four methods for like functional interface. provide. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and do share.